Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check ranking on the Top War Battle Game application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the ranking section next to the settings button at the bottom of the page, and here you can check your ranking. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.